Hey guys,
Hi.
welcome back. And today, just before I introduce the people who I am with here, this is a case study for the Done For You, which I carried out, and I helped somebody start achieving the results which he has achieved. Okay, so I want us to discuss and you understand what we did for him and understand what we can do for you. So this is what this video is all about. So just be with us so that you can see how we are helping people here. Okay, so I have Osman Murabi here, who is my business partner. We are working with Osman Murabi. Those people who have known me know that Osman Murabi is my brother. He is my partner. We work with him. Okay, and then I have Bertrand here. Bertrand is somebody who is 58 years old, uh, doesn't have a lot of computer knowledge, and I've been able to help him. We have been able to help him. We have already started making money with him. So, guys, can you say hi, Osman? And then, Bertrand, you can introduce yourself.
Of course, yeah. Thanks for the introduction, Samia. So anyway, guys, so I don't have much to say here. My name is Usman Rabi, and I've been working with Samia for over 5 years now, I think. And we click, and we've been doing things together. So I do a lot of the technical aspect, and Samia do a lot of the coaching, and then helping people and so on. So that's it really for me. I'll keep it short.
Bertrand.
Hi, my name is Bertrand Boudreau. I never made money online before until I met Samir Makhtar. Never made a penny before. I spent, but I didn't make.
Okay, appreciate your kind words, Bertrand. So, Bertrand, when we met, I reached out to you and I told you that, affiliate marketing is easy and money can be made as soon as in 2, 3 days, right? Did
Yep.
you think that was possible?
Yep.
Did you think that was possible before?
No, I never thought it was possible because I spent so much money and nothing came back. And with you, I spent $97 and I got almost $400. So I didn't know what to think. And they gave me a lot of hope. A lot of hope. Because I never had hope before. And the guy don't ask for money. I thought he was crazy, but he's not crazy. He knows what he's doing.
Okay, so Bertrand, let me ask you, before you met us, how much money, like you are saying, a lot of money you spent, what did you spend in the products you bought?
Yeah, I bought product. I bought 15 to 20,000 in the last 10 to 15 years.
Wow.
15. That's all I did. I bought program. He's the only guy that made me understand that don't keep buying. You don't keep everybody that talked to me before told me to buy others. I bought.
Wow.
So are we talking of $20,000 or
$20,000?
So
I
you
spent
spent
in about
$20,000
10 to 15 years.
and you didn't make a single penny out of this.
Not a cent. If I could show you a dime, I would. Sorry, but I can't show you a dime. And I thought it was my fault. It was not my fault. It was the people that were showing me. They were not showing me.
We're just trying to sell.
So you need to work. You need to work with the right people. I'm sorry I talk too much, but you need to work with the right people. And this guy here, I don't know where he's from, but man, he's honest. That's all I can say. He's right honest. I kept asking him to give me work, and he said, just stay back. Hey, what's this? The video is finished.
Okay, so Bertrand, let me ask you. I talked to Bertrand. Let me explain to you guys. I talked to Bertrand, and Bertrand told me a very painful story about him. And I thought that I really need to help this guy because he was an action taker. I asked him his traffic budget and what I can do for him. And he told me, I will not discuss the traffic budgets here, but he told me his traffic budgets and he told me that he has not made money. Now, Bertrand is unfortunately suffering from cancer, and this is something which he told me, and I felt that, I need to help him. The guy has faced a lot and he needs to be assisted. So he gave me all his logins, and I was able to set up everything for him. And in literally 3 days, we were already making money. We were already making commissions for him. The first time he just messaged me and says, "What are you doing? The sales are coming." And I was like, wow, this is nice. And the guy was, the first day you made what, $43, I think, or 70 something dollars, something like that, right?
It's on your affiliate dashboard, Samir. That's his account, right?
Yeah. So basically, we are on the, I'm on Bermond. He's calling himself Bermond here, Bertrand affiliate network account, which is Warrior Plus. You guys all know Warrior Plus. Just go on all time. Now, this is only last month because Bertrand is not made any money before that. He had no, it's a brand new account. This is a completely brand new account, and you can see he is making $347 he made and a recurring commission of around 115 every month. So every month from now henceforth, as long as these people will stay, and I will make sure that these people will stay because he is continuing with my service, then Bertrand will be making $114 just by the investment of traffic which he did. And he made more than 300 subscribers in your autoresponder. He doesn't even know about the autoresponder because I am the one who is maintaining it. So he doesn't know about email marketing and all that stuff. Okay. So guys, this is what we do. Okay. We pride in what we say. Do you believe that,
Yeah.
Bertrand?
See, another thing I forgot to talk about is the budget. People told me it took thousands of dollars to make money online. This guy make $347 with $115. Where's the $1,000? They always told me I needed $1,000 to make money online. Thousands of dollars. And this guy with $115, he starts making money. That's amazing. I'm lost for words. Sorry.
That's I appreciate your words, Bertrand.
And I'm not saying that to make you feel good either. I'm telling the truth right now. This guy wants to help people. I don't care what you think. This guy wants to help people. Let him help you. Don't do it yourself if you don't know what you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing. That's why I let him. At first, I didn't think he was going to do it. I thought it was another scam, but it's not a scam. This guy can do it. It shows right there. The proof.
So, Bertrand, let me ask you. What made you trust me? What made you trust us? What made you think that we can do?
It's when you told me I only need $97 to buy the program. Well, I thought I got nothing to lose, $97. I lost thousands of dollars. But you told me just $97 to me. So I said, I'm going to buy it. But you kept coming, you kept going on. And you follow me, you helped me to buy it, even to buy it. You helped me. Because remember, I always buy everything at the end.
So, guys, what he means, by the way, $97, I did not even use.
No, you didn't charge me. No, $97 for the autoresponder.
It was for the funnels.
The autoresponder or something.
To set up the funnel.
Yeah, he set up everything. I didn't pay nothing. I paid $97 for the, I think it's for the machine. See, you know I don't know nothing. This guy knows everything. I don't. Sorry.
Yeah.
I don't know how to express this to the people that are going to watch this, that are watching it. This guy really wants to help people. He really wants to help people. So if you don't know what you're doing, instead of losing your money like I did, go to him. Go to him. You'll see. Trust him. Oh, like I'm so excited to have found somebody like him that I'm going to tell the world.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
You don't find people like that.
Really appreciate.
And now he's got another partner. If there are two like that, can you imagine?
The whole setup, guys, the whole setup, the behind of my team is Osman Murabi. He's the one who is the funnel hacker. He's the one who sets up the email automation series, does amazing stuff, okay, which you cannot even think of. So all the credit goes to him. Yes, I got Bertrand to work with me, and it was amazing that, you know, we were able to achieve this kind of results. We always do it for ourselves. We were able to make Bertrand, he doesn't even know that he was on the leaderboard of 24-hour Profit Pro. So Bertrand got onto the leaderboard of 24-hour Profit Pro. And this is something which I really pride in, okay? It's something which I really like. So what are you feeling? How are you feeling, Bertrand?
Oh, man, I'm pumped. I'm pumped. And now that you got another guy, I'm even more pumped. I'm telling you, I think, you know what? I think the way I feel is going to heal me. Because I feel so positive. So
I also hope so, because yes, this is the positivity we want to share. And, you know, positive energy, when it is shared, then it is multiplied and you will be able to heal. I hope so. Okay. I'm hearing some good stuff from your doctor, and it is good. Okay.
Yes.
I will keep working with you. I will keep helping you. Okay. I promise you this.
Yes. I know you promised me, and I promise you I will do everything I can for you. But you don't need me. I'm only in the way. No, but I'm amazed. I'm amazed. It's unbelievable to me. Unbelievable to me.
Okay, guys. So basically what we are doing is, I believe you've understood what we are doing. I have already shared for you what the Done For You system is all about. Now, when I started the Done For You with Bertrand, it was not even as established as I have done now. And the only thing I'm asking you is you buy the traffic, and we are there to run your business for you. Okay. We don't want you to pay us anything more than the traffic. Okay.
I know.
The reason,
okay, guys.
The reason we say this is because, you know, it comes down to experience. Like, it's not like what we are doing is different and somebody else cannot do. It's just based on experience, because sometimes people learn from watching, but when you watch something, you think like, I've already known this, I can go and do it. But when it comes to implementation, the thing becomes difficult. It seems like somebody sitting in a car and driving, say, oh, I can do this. But when they get into the seat of driving, they start having fear. And you know, when you're on your own doing the work, it becomes difficult and becomes overwhelming, getting doubt. And it takes a lot of your time. And in this industry, it's not about wasting time, because time is money, and money loves speed. That's why it's best for us to handle all the technical stuff, because when it comes to funnel building, like Samir saying, that's my thing. That's like my cup of tea. I can just do that in a couple of minutes. I can just set up your autoresponder. I can set up everything, which will take you, someone else will take like a lot of time to do it, but we can do it as fast as possible so that we can start making you money the earliest possible. That's why we want to handle everything for you, so that you guys don't get confused.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, I just want to put a small disclaimer, because I'm supposed to put a disclaimer that this is in no way guaranteeing an income, but we are what we'll do, the chances of you succeeding is high. Okay. I can actually say that, you know, you will be able to start seeing some results immediately. So don't worry so much. If you are somebody who don't have time and who wants this thing done, then be sure that we can be able to help you. If you are somebody who wants to do it, then we have all the trainings and all the good stuff which is already there in our groups. You can just go through it and you can do it yourself and buy the traffic anyway. So we are not asking you anything. We are just asking you to give us the money for the traffic, and we will be able to do this. Now, the details I have already shared on this page, and it depends on where you're watching this video from, but the details are already with you. Then you are okay, and you will get started with this without any issues. Thank you, everybody, and thank you for watching this. I hope those people who have never made money have some hope. Those people who want to invest in some money for some affiliate marketing or something, then this is an ideal opportunity for you guys to do it, because we are doing everything on the back end without you needing to learn, without you needing to understand what we are doing. You be interested in what commissions you are making. Okay, as Bertrand is, he's very happy making commissions, and he doesn't even want to know about what we do at the back end. Okay, so just trust us, and let's do this for you. That's it for you. For
Trust you is easy. People, I want you to understand, these guys, you can trust them. You can trust them. Hey, I don't trust people that easy, and I trust you, and it's worth it there.
Thank you.
That's nice. Okay.
Get this guy